Good evening guys, this is Sumaya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to add watermark for your Dialog's reports. You might need the watermark on your Dialog's reports either for copyrights, confidentiality reasons, or simply just displaying your company name on the report. In this tutorial we'll discuss how to add that in simple steps. Let's get started. I'm considering a sample project here and we'll go directly to the documentation. Then we'll go to the layouts. Here in the layouts, you will have standard layouts for your important pages in the dialogues, like you have cover page, table of contents, contacts, description, room list, luminaire list, and so on. Depending on what you usually in your Lux reports, you can modify only what you need. Let's apply the watermark first for this cover page. Okay, so here in this options we have three different layouts. You can use the one which you prefer. I prefer the first one. Select this and save new layout as a copy. Save it in your folder. This can be done only if you have a pro feature. If you don't have the pro feature, you can still try it because all the Dialogs users will have an access for 30-day free trial. Make sure your license is active. Now, when you save this, when you select here and save new layout, once you save it, this editor will automatically open. If you want to change the language of this user interface, you can go here, right top corner. Here you have EN for English. If you click on that arrow below, there are different language options. This will change the user interface language. Okay, I will use English itself. Now, this basically shows the layout you have selected here. This is the image, the contents. We are not going to edit everything in this tutorial. We'll focus only on adding the watermark. So we'll go to the page. Here you have watermark. Click here. You have two types of watermark input enabled. One is text, other is image. Let's see both. For the watermark text, you can select the text here, name it. I will write my company name, Nova Lighting Concepts. Okay, and you can see a preview of the watermark text you have written here. If you want to edit the text or text height, you can go for more options. Just move it here. Then you have this angle. Angle is 45 now. If you want to make it straight line, you can keep the angle 0 or you can keep the angle 180 degree. You can see the difference. Now it is rotated. If I keep it 0, it is in straight line. If I keep it 45, it's tilted. You can see the preview of the text. Okay, then you have select font. Click on font. Here you can search for the font you need. I'll go for Roboto. And then you have different font styles. Under the font you have chosen, I will select regular. And then you have font size. Okay, you can select the font size here. If you want to strike out, say it is straight. If you want to underline, so I will select for 72 or 100. I'll keep 72 for now, not underline. Script, we have options for Greek, European and others. Okay, you can select what script you need, and if you're okay with this one, click OK and you can see the preview and click OK and Control S. Now go back to the dialogs. See, you have your watermark layout here. Now when you go to the dialogs report section and you go to the cover page, here you have the one which you have edited. See, let me save this one page. See, this is how the watermark will appear on your reports. Okay, now you can edit the layout here. In the layouts you can edit it individually and you can save it. Once you edit, the layout will be appearing here. You don't have to edit it again and again for different projects. But when you edit the file, this .mrt file, save it in a proper location so you don't delete it. If you delete from here, even on your dialogs this layouts page, it will disappear. Okay, now we have seen how to add the text watermark. What if we want to add a image watermark? Okay, let's go for this one and we will save as new layout. I will save it here on desktop. Okay, then we'll go to page watermark. Here I have watermark image. Let's load the image. I will use the logo and you can see the preview here. Select for more options. From here you can select the positioning image alignment of the watermark image you have selected. Now it's in middle center. This is the preview. If you make it bottom center, it will be placed here. Okay, so as per your requirement you can change the positioning. I'll keep it in the middle center. Then you have image transparency. If you reduce the transparency, image will appear a little bit blurred. Select show image behind, text will appear front and image will be in the background. And if you click on image stretched, see the preview, it will be stretched to the whole report. And if you tile it, the same image will be arranged in tiles. So it's up to you how you need this one. Let us check with image tiling. Click OK, Control S. Let's go to dialogs. See, this is the report. I will go back to the documentation and it was table of contents. Click here. See, it is appearing here. This is only for a sample I showed you with an image. Of course, you can try better options. I will repeat this step. I'll go to the watermark, more options. If we don't need the tiled effect, we'll unselect it. Let's keep only the image. Click OK. Control S. See, changed. Let's save both the pages. We'll click on show entire documentation, save as PDF. We'll select all, we'll save it on desktop. So this is your Lux report with text watermark and image watermark. You can repeat the steps for different pages. So this is it guys in this video. If you found this video helpful, please do hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to explore more in dialogues with me. Thank you.